the building proper. It's one of 3 buildings, so total is 60,000 meters square of roofing. Very big distribution center. Of the pedestrian bridge between Jalan Gelaway and Jalan Hang Jebat, which is right parallel to this Pudu Road, Jalan Pudu, sorry. And so this whole bridge is right now being covered with our NPM 88 safety net circuit, orange color, which is serial approved to the EN standard 1263. So the whole bridge will be taken off, replaced with a new bridge. So these are the 2 nets against the actual nets up there for this site, IKEA distribution center, done by Takaneka Malaysia Berhad. Total square footage for the entire room. Ladies and gentlemen, today the 23rd of November 2019. Here are the distribution center, IKEA distribution center, orange 401 nets. These were nets they bought from us. It's complete with the ropes, 12 mm ropes. Bought from us in 2014, 2019. Originally they were put up there and they've been dismantled because actually the racks are going up there for the building. This one is not completed yet, so you can see the nets here. Okay. We're going to supply to you. If you can see here, this is 1 inch hole, okay. We call it mesh lah. So this is serum tested, complete with the 10 mm rope lah. You can see it's very strong. So this one is the net you want without the white edging lah. Comes with the 8 mm rope inside inbuilt, so it's very strong. Okay, this is a close up. So as it comes with eyelets every 2 feet. 11th of August 2023, and yeah. So these are the safety nets they bought from us. These are heavy duty safety nets, serum proof. So we will take a close up view even as we enter the site. Okay, these are some nets they hung at the side. We'll make sure nothing fell out of the building. And here is a close-up view of the nets. So our standard length of these nets, we call it the 101 safety nets. These are 401 safety nets, horizontal safety nets. It is mesh size is 4.5 inch, stretch is 4.5 inch, and actual size it's 2.25 inch. This comes in a standard 20 by 100 feet measurement, which is 6 meter by 30 meters standard length. So Kajima has bought even way back in 2000. They bought for next door, in fact, the Nippon Electric Glass NEG in Shalam next door, and they bought about 30 rolls back then, 2000. Then in 2003 they bought a nest for Johor factory, and then after that, the year 2000 for the Ajinomoto factory in Enstek, Negeri Sembilan, and now here we are at Tesco Extension Building, and this is what you call it, cargo holding center, and this is 4 stories by industrial size lah. Total they acquired here is about 80 rolls, 20 by 100 feet, which is 6 meter by 30 meter lah.
and they've installed. In fact, they had installed this earlier over this side, but they've taken it down, and now it's over here lah, all here. Okay, so thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Pak Ibu, mana macam ini jaring keselamatan boleh pakai?
Boleh pakai.
Aha.
Itu pun boleh tahan itu. Kita kalau jatuh, dia pun tak boleh jatuh turun.
Oh, tangkap ya?
Biar kena tangkap lah pasal dia tali itu jaring banyak kuat.
So ini sudah pasang berapa lama? 6 bulan nanti ada kah? Ada.
Kira-kira lebih kurang lah.
Lebih kurang. Tapi ini memang jaring daripada Ajinomoto Instinct kan? Instinct ya. So you kasih show boleh pakai lah.
Boleh pakai.
Okay. Terima kasih Pak. Thank you so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our factory. There we go.